Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter R. This is uppercase R and this is lowercase r. Okay kids, R is for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. R is for rat. R-A-T, rat. Rat means chooha. R is for robot. R-O-B-O-T, robot. Robot means robot. R is for rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Rose means gulab. Let's repeat again. R is for rabbit. R is for rat. R is for robot. R is for rose. चलें बच्चों, अब हम लेटर R को लिखते हैं, ठीक है? ये है बैंगनी रंग, पर्पल कलर. Draw a standing line and a curved line and a slanting line. This is uppercase R. This is pink color. ये है गुलाबी रंग. Draw a small standing line and a small curved line. This is lowercase r. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye.